Hi guys, bradamckinnon here. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at getting more suction out of your Festool vacuum cleaner. This is based on using the Festool dust bags in the machine. A lot of the time you'll find after your bags are getting sort of half full, they'll start losing a bit of suction. So a couple of tricks to show you here. And the first one is pretty simple. As soon as you switch off your sanding machine, open the vacuum so the bag's still inflated, and what you want to do is just tap those top of the bag and just clear those little holes where the suction comes from. The auto clean generally does a good job of this, but it just needs that extra bang from your hands just to clear it, and that'll generally do it. And once you've done that a few times and you still feel like the suction's just not quite there, you can open up the machine again, and what you need to do is sort of spin the bag around, or rotate the bag sort of 45 degrees, and just find some new suction holes. You'll see the ones that are clear, because what's happening is the filter is it's sucking through the filter, and it's in the same place the whole time. So by rotating the bag, you're getting some nice clean suction holes in the bag, and then you'll find you'll just gain a lot more suction again. It'll be like having a new bag. So that's a handy little trick there. And then just another little tip here. Just by doing this all the time, you're gonna start finding the bag will start coming away from the cardboard strip there. So a little tip I like to do is just to stop that happening is just to take the bag and fold it up over the cardboard there where your clip comes down, and that just goes over that, and that stops that material pulling away from the cardboard, I guess. And that just holds it there, just from trying to get as much out of the bag as possible. That's a good little tip there. Stop it tearing away. And if you want to get even more life out of your bag, you can watch my other video, which is linked up the top there, on how to reuse your Festool dust bags. So that's another good little tip there if you want to watch that video. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.